Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the Trentham estate just south of Stoke-on-Trent to have a look around the monkey forest. So come on, let's go and have an explore and see some Barbary apes.
Yo, it's the Jack's life, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.
As we enter, we've got a jungle shop and a cafe over there, and there's a bit of an outside play area and some more outside play areas up here, which we'll check out later with the hidden trail. Let's go find the monkeys. There's a bit of a safety talk.
Remember, you are walking with wild primate.
It's like going into Jurassic Park.
Oh, that would be good. That would be good. Thank you very much. I'm trying to get the monkey. Yeah, you've got one.
More rules for you. Do not touch the monkeys, do not feed. Keep a 2 metre distance. So just like COVID. Lockdown rules apply with the monkeys. It seems to be a long walk to get to the monkeys. So we have found our first monkey. I think I called them Barbary apes earlier, but they're not, they're Barbary macaques. And there he is, in the tree. Can I zoom in? Little monkey dude's waking up. Oh yeah, got a look. Hey little monkey. There's another monkey all the way up there. And then there's loads of monkeys down here. And also ducks. Do you reckon a monkey's ever seen a duck before?
We don't have native primates living in the UK. The Barbary macaques originate in North Africa, in Morocco and Algeria. Since our resistance, they are actually the closest wild primates to us. In fact, Barbary macaques once lived all over Europe, even here in England up until around 300,000 years ago. Unfortunately, today they are a highly endangered species, with fewer than 8,000 surviving in the wild. Their population has decreased by more than 50% in the last 40 years. In Morocco, babies are taken away from their mothers to be used as photo box for tourists and sold illegally as pets. To ensure their survival, then, Barbary macaques need our help to protect their habitat and stop this illegal trade of babies. And just by visiting today, you are actually helping wild Barbary macaques, as the Monkey Forest does support a number of conservation projects. And if you would like to find out more, you can visit our conservation centre, which will just be on the left if you head out of the gates. We have 3 sister parks across Europe, with the first opened in the late 60s. Monkey Forest opened in 2005, so this year we celebrate our 20th anniversary. Since then, we've had over 100 babies born and welcomed over 4 million visitors. So I'm going to pop some food out for the monkeys now, and I'll tell you a little bit more about them in a few minutes. We do have lots of leftovers in the bucket today, so I've got some kale, some melon, pineapple, banana, apples, some of the bits of fruit and veg, and right at the bottom I've got some wheat grains and some flower seeds as well.
Running down from the hills. Vertebrae, and when available they enjoy eating the beech nuts and the acorns. In the wild they sometimes catch and eat scorpions. So you may be wondering what happens to our monkeys in the winter. Well, our monkeys do not need any indoor enclosures but live freely outside at Trentham all year round. They originate from the mountainous regions of Morocco and Algeria, where the summers are hot and the winter temperatures can drop as low as minus 15 degrees Celsius, so the climate is fairly similar to here. And they do have a number of adaptations for this climate. In the winter, they grow a long, thick coat, which helps protect them from the cold temperatures, and in spring... So of all the 140 monkeys in our forest, the oldest is currently a 31-year-old female. Now this is an exceptional age for a Barbary macaque, as it's similar to being over 100 in human years. She lives in a group at the top of the hill, and if she is out and about, I'm sure the guys up there will be happy to point her out to you. So an exciting part about your visit today is you'll get to see our monkeys behaving as they would in the wild. Since 2005... So we're now off up the hill to go and have a look at the second group of monkeys and see if we can find the old bird. What was she, 31? 34? 31? So there's a little group in this tree and there's a little babble one somewhere. Let's see if we can find him again. He's not going to come down now, is he? Whee! There he is, having a swing. It is funny, every tree you look in, there's just groups of monkeys having a cuddle. Look at that was. Cute little baby. So literally wherever you go, there's a monkey to have a look at. Which I suppose is what you expect at the monkey forest. But I think the lady was saying earlier they've got over 140 monkeys in the forest. I don't know if there's any more monkeys down here or if this is just a little walk through the forest, but either way it's quite pretty. Would be nicer if it was warmer though. If you're enjoying my videos, please do remember to like and subscribe. It really helps me out with the channel. And also hit that notification bell to know when new videos are coming up. Typically it will be every Sunday at 4 PM, so hopefully I'll see you again very soon. Monkeys all the way up the top of that tree. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but it's a long way down. I hope he's got a good grip. It doesn't look like there's very many monkeys down this bit, which I don't really understand why. But maybe it's because they don't do feeding time down here. What is pretty useful is as you walk around, there's all these little fact boards that give you some information about the old monkeys. Here's another one. In fact, this is a bit of a quiz. It doesn't look like the most comfortable place to go to sleep. Looks like we've completed the loop. And we're back round to the feeding area. Oh, we've got mating. Mating happened. So there's a little conservation centre where you can get your info about the place and the monkeys. Cool pirate ship.
To learn in monkey locomotion. As his confidence grows, he begins to climb, jump, and fall at every opportunity.
Monkey skeletons.
Babies also spend time with the tails in the group and other the adventurer.
Well, that completes the tour around the Monkey Forest. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much. Don't forget to subscribe.
Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.